here, I learned so many things which I had never experienced before. Okay, like I had never worked in a paddy field before, and then I came here. We learned so many things regarding like how to grow, you know, wheat, you know, in paddy fields. We learned about vermicomposting and so many things. Overall experience was damn awesome. We all really like enjoyed being here. And lastly, I would like to thank TourGenie for giving us this opportunity to know about many things which are beyond, which are outside our class, which we learn outside the classrooms.
Students, they really learn quite a lot because they have never been to such kind of place, such kind of peaceful environment. They touched the soil, they did the paddy cultivation, which was very new to them apart from the academic studies and all. So it was very good experiment for all the students, and we really felt happy to visit this place to do organic farming and to see all these different kinds of farming and cultivation works, all the beautiful places here with all these greeneries and so much facilities. It's really good.
Guys, did you all have fun?
Yay!
Yay! Thank you.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.